Good morning, students. Continuation to the previous topic, that is analytical learning. So we are discussing about the prologue. So in here, what we are going to observe. So there are multiple explanations. Multiple explanations. Suppose the same concept may be explained by one person, differs with another person, but all the explanations are correct. So generally, whatever the explanation which leads to get the correct, which leads to give the correct results only. Yes or no? So here, sometimes we are going to use one explanation, or sometimes we are going to use all the explanations we need to consider. So background knowledge. So an explanation is obtained using a backward chaining. Search is done by prologue. Prologue EBJ stops when it finds the first proof. So whenever we are going to reach the solution, then we are going to stop our process. So that is the case we are going to observe with prologue EBJ. And here what we are going to do, we are going to analyze the problem. So whatever the problem which is given to us, first what you have to do, what are the features which are given to us, among those features, which feature is going to be focusing on our target, so that we need to identify, and what are important features, what are unimportant features, what features are going to play the major role, that we need to identify. Yes or no? And then the target leaf nodes of the explanation and substituting variable x for and y. So what we have to analyze, what are the things which are going to be considered for placing x and y. So what are the features which are given to us? Volume is given, density is given, type is given, and weight is given. But what we have to consider, we are going to consider the weight feature. So why? Because among all the features which are given to us, the weight feature plays the major role in deciding what we are going to decide, whether x can be placed on y or not. Whether x can be placed on y or not, that we are going to consider. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to remove the features that are independent of x and y, such as equal, times, less than. So these are all the features which we have observed, as these are not going to be make any difference while deciding whether x can be placed on y. The rule is now more general and can serve to explain other instances matching the rule. So based on the target concept, what we are going to define, we are going to analyze which are going to be placed to, or which are going to be considered for deciding whether x can be placed on y. See this, computing the weakest preimage of explanation. So what, this is the frontier. So in the frontier, what we are going to consider, all the things are going to be considered: volume, density, equal, less than, type. So all those things are going to be considered. And the next level, what we are going to consider, volume, density, equal, less than, weight. So in the step by step, what we are going to observe, so we are going to consider the lighter. So the concept which is going to be used as lighter. So here, okay. So lighter, object 1 and object 2, whether it is x is lighter than y, then we are going to decide it as a x can be placed on y. So that is a frontier. In case of frontier, what we are going to consider, all the features which are given to us are going to be considered. In the step by step, we need to identify what are the features which are going to play major role, what are the features which are going to be ignored, and what are the features which are going to be negatively impact, that we need to identify. Refine, analyze and refine. Yes or no? So here what we are going to observe, first thing is analyze, explanation, analyze, and refine. The current hypothesis is a set of Horn clauses. Horn clause in the sense, it is a logical statement which is going to be support our target. Okay. So by using sequential covering, more rules are going to be added. So whatever the concept which we are going to be defined, so it is considered as a new rule to the system. So that new rules are going to be added to define the target concept. Discovering new features. So whatever the system described can formulate new features that are not in the training example. So derived from the domain theory, so similar to features represented by hidden neurons in artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is statistical method that requires many training examples to obtain the hidden neuron features. Prologue EBC uses an analytical process to obtain new features from analysis of single training example. So generally, artificial neural network is defined So which is going to solve the problem by defining the many training examples. What we require? Many training examples. If we are going to have the many training examples, then only we are able to concentrate on hidden neuron features. So whatever the system which we are going to be defined, what we observe, input layer and output layer, hidden layers. If you are going to have the multiple hidden layers, then the accuracy is going to be improved more. So in order to cover all the multiple hidden layers, what we require? We require much training examples. So here what we are going to use? Prolog. So logical concepts are going to be used in explanation based generalization. So here what we are going to using the single training examples by acquiring the knowledge, background knowledge, then we are going to define the same target concept with less number of examples. So inductive bias in explanation based learning. What is the inductive bias of explanation based learning? The hypothesis H follows deductively from training examples and background knowledge. So D is the representation for training examples, B is the domain theory or background knowledge. So background knowledge also treated as domain theory. So prefer small sets of maximally general Horn class. Horn class is a logical statement which is going to be support our target concept. So what is the problem here? Learning to speed up search programs. In order to improve the search process, we are going to define a system, so which may include playing chess scheduling optimization problem. So set up all the possible states and operators which are going to influence the target concept and predicate over S indicating the goal states. So these are all the things which are going to be learned towards the analytical learning. So this prodigy is another problem. So just like playing chess game and placing X and Y. So it is here one more problem we are going to consider the prodigy. Prodigy in the sense, so which is going to be perform ultimately. Something which is going to be perform ultimately. Ultimately in the sense outstanding performance we are going to expect from the any concept that is prodigy. So what we are going to consider prodigy. So here prodigy is a system which we are going to be defined. So here also what we require analytical knowledge. So if we are going to have the analytical knowledge or analytical learning concepts, then only we are going to define the system. So this is one more example. And we are going to consider what are the problems in explanation based learning. The number of control rules that must be learned as very large. So whenever we are going to use the what we are going to consider domain theory. So using the domain theory, what we are going to observe, there are multiple rules are going to be defined and multiple rules are going to consider, and if the control rules are many, much time will be spent looking for the best rule. So whenever we are going to have the multiple rules, then what is the problem we are going to face? Which rule is the best rule? So for that, what we need to check, we need to check all the rules so that we are going to spend much time. So utility analysis is used to determine what rules to keep and what rules to ignore. So that is the one more problem we are going to face with the EBL, explanation based learning. And another problem is sometimes it is difficult to create an explanation for the target concept. So sometimes, suppose if you have knowledge on chess game, then we are able to acquire the things and we are able to easily learn the things. Suppose if you are going to give a problem which is related to some rocket launching. So we people are very for us it is difficult to understand the concepts which are related to rocket launching. Yes or no? So in that case, if you are going to learn the things, even though if you are not able to define properly that rocket launching concept, so that is the case. Here it is in the scenario what we are going to face, it is difficult to explain the things which are related to target concepts. Okay. So here states for which operator A leads to solution. So if you have some knowledge, if you are able to understand the concept, then only it is possible. Otherwise it is difficult to follow. So that is having the background knowledge for each and every concept it is not so easy. So if you are familiar with those concepts, then only it is possible to acquire the background knowledge, then only we are able to understand the concepts and then only we are able to execute the things. So here what we are going to observe, explain, analyze, refine. You have to explain the target concept, you have to analyze for generalization, and you have to refine the hypothesis by adding the new rules. So those are the things we have observed in case of explanation based learning. So Prolog EBJ construct intermediate features after analyzing problems Explanation based learning can be used to find search control rules depend on perfect domain theory. So these are the summary statements which are related to Prolog EBJ. So whatever we define, so what we have to do, we have to improve the performance of the system. That means we need to design a system with more performance utilities. That means it has to perform well, the accuracy should be improved. So for that, what are the things we need to consider, what are the network we need to define, and what weights we need to consider, and how to update those weights. Those are all the things which are played here to design the good system. Thank you.